And so I always want to kind of default and say, get a job with the systems integrator. Like that's like my default answer. Get a job with a systems integrator because they're going to expose you to a wide variety of technologies and applications, and you're just going to overall you will never gain any more experience anywhere else as you would with a systems integrator. And for those who don't know what a systems integrator is, they're essentially a company that builds automated equipment. They build manufacturing equipment. So they may build the assembly line for a Toyota, or they may, build a robotic cells that go on the end of a line that unloads the line and stacks things on a skid. They may design something that is doing a quality inspection with a vision camera. So the overall the systems integrator, there's a ton of different applications, especially if you work for a systems integrator who is working with multiple different types of applications. They're not just spitting out the same type of machinery all the time. They do a lot of custom applications. If they're doing the custom applications and they give you the ability to like work freely, that is the place to go. But I have to say, like, with really thinking on that question, it is not the first route for a lot of people. A lot of people do not have what it takes and don't have the skill set needed to be able to get into a system integrator. And I kind of want to dive a little bit more into talking about how to get into a systems integrator facility.